Looking for an all-inclusive resort that combines luxury with eco-consciousness in the heart of Mexico's stunning Riviera Maya? Let me take you through everything you need to know about Sandos Caracol Eco Resort, a 5-star property that has been making waves since its opening in 2005. This isn't just another beachfront hotel. It's a sprawling 25-hectare paradise nestled in natural jungle, complete with cenotes, mangroves, and a pristine private beach. What sets this place apart is its genuine commitment to sustainability while delivering the kind of unlimited luxury experience that families and adventure seekers crave. The resort underwent major renovations between 2023 and 2024, bringing fresh updates to rooms, adding a new eco-adventure park, and enhancing its already impressive sustainability features with solar panels that now power 70% of the property. With nearly 1,000 rooms spread across 15 different categories, 15 dining venues, 10 swimming pools, and an eco-park that lets you zipline through the jungle canopy, this resort packs more activities into one location than most people can tackle in a week-long vacation. Guest reviews consistently rate it between 8.4 and 4.6 out of 5 across major booking platforms, with particular praise going to the family-friendly activities, the natural setting, and the sheer value for money. Located about 45 kilometers south of Cancun International Airport in Playa del Carmen, it strikes that perfect balance between accessibility and feeling like you've escaped into a tropical wilderness. When it comes to accommodations, Sandos Caracol offers 956 rooms and suites that cater to every type of traveler, from couples seeking romance to large families needing space for everyone. The superior rooms serve as the entry-level option, but don't let that fool you into thinking they're basic. These 42 square meter spaces come with either a king bed or 2 doubles, a private balcony overlooking the lush jungle or gardens, and all the essentials you'd expect from a 5-star property. Talking air conditioning that actually works, a minibar that gets restocked daily with snacks and drinks, a coffee maker for those who need their morning caffeine fix before heading to breakfast, an electronic safe for your valuables, reliable Wi-Fi, a smart television, hairdryer, and even a pillow menu so you can customize your sleeping experience. The eco-friendly toiletries are a nice touch that reminds you this resort takes its environmental commitments seriously. Some of these rooms even feature hammocks on the balcony, perfect for an afternoon siesta while listening to tropical birds. These rooms can accommodate up to 4 people, making them ideal for small families. Step up to the junior suites and you get 56 square meters with a separate living area that includes a sofa bed, bathrobes for lounging in style, and an espresso machine because sometimes hotel coffee just doesn't cut it. The swim-up suites are where things get really interesting. At 62 square meters, these rooms feature direct access to the pool right from your terrace. Imagine rolling out of bed, stepping through your sliding doors, and being in the water within seconds. These come with outdoor showers and swim-out terraces that blur the line between your private space and the resort's aquatic playground. For families, the eco-family suites are purpose-built with 70 square meters that include 2 bedrooms and a special kids' bunk area. The bunk beds come with LED lights that kids absolutely love, plus there's an Xbox or PlayStation to keep them entertained during downtime. The Mayan-themed kids zone adds a cultural educational element that parents appreciate. These suites can sleep up to 6 people, and some can be interconnected if you're traveling with extended family or friends. At the top end sits the presidential suite, a sprawling 140 square meter luxury apartment with 2 bedrooms, separate living and dining areas, butler service, a private jacuzzi, wine cooler, and a rooftop terrace that offers breathtaking views of both the ocean and jungle. This suite accommodates up to 6 guests and represents the absolute pinnacle of what the resort offers. All rooms received attention during the recent renovations with new bedding, upgraded technology, and improved finishes that guests have noticed and commented on positively in recent reviews. The Eco Collection rooms deserve special mention as they prioritize sustainability through the use of recycled materials in their construction and furnishings, proving that luxury and environmental responsibility can coexist beautifully. The dining situation at Sandos Caracol is honestly impressive with 15 different venues all included in your all-inclusive package, which also covers unlimited premium drinks. Most restaurants operate on a walk-in basis, though the more popular spots can be reserved through the resort's mobile app. El Rio serves as the main buffet restaurant, and it's a bustling hub of activity from 7 in the morning until 11 at night, serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The International Buffet features everything from authentic Mayan tacos to elaborate seafood stations and live cooking demonstrations where chefs prepare dishes right in front of you. Wednesday nights bring Mexican-themed dinners that showcase regional specialties. The restaurant can seat 500 people, though it can feel crowded during peak dining times. For Italian cuisine, La Riviera offers an à la carte experience with house-made pasta that tastes like it came straight from a Roman kitchen, wood-fired pizzas with perfectly charred crusts, and tiramisu that guests rave about in reviews. The restaurant operates for dinner from 6 until 11 in the evening, and while walk-ins are accepted, booking ahead is recommended, especially during high season. The elegant terrace setting makes it popular for romantic dinners. Ceviche specializes in Mexican and seafood dishes with a focus on, you guessed it, incredibly fresh ceviche prepared in various regional styles. The grilled lobster and mole poblano are standouts according to guest reviews. This beachfront venue serves lunch and dinner from 12:30 until 11, creating a relaxed atmosphere where you can dine with sand between your toes while watching the Caribbean sunset. Zango brings Asian fusion to the table with an extensive sushi menu, teppanyaki stations where skilled chefs perform culinary acrobatics while preparing your meal, and dim sum that rivals what you'd find in proper Asian restaurants. Operating for dinner from 6:30 until 11, this venue requires smart casual attire, and booking ahead is strongly recommended. The resort even offers sushi-making classes for guests who want to learn the art. The beach lobby bar keeps things casual with tropical cocktails, light snacks, and swim-up access, so you never have to leave the water to refresh your drink. It's open from 10 in the morning until 1 in the morning, making it perfect for both daytime refreshment and late-night cocktails. Every restaurant offers vegetarian, vegan, and gluten-free options, with kids' menus available everywhere, so even the pickiest young eaters will find something they enjoy. The variety means you could eat at a different restaurant every night of your stay and still not experience everything the resort offers. The pool situation here goes beyond what most resorts provide, with 10 different pools spread across the property, each serving different purposes and crowds. The 3 main infinity pools are architectural marvels that seem to blend seamlessly with the Caribbean horizon. The largest measures 1,500 square meters with depths ranging from 1.2 to 1.4 meters, making it swimmable for most adults while still being safe for older children. These main pools serve both adults and families, creating a lively atmosphere throughout the day. 4 dedicated kids' pools feature water slides of varying heights and intensity levels, with sizes ranging from 200 to 500 square meters and shallow depths between half a meter and 1 meter. Children absolutely love these areas, and they're designed with safety as the top priority. For guests seeking tranquility, 2 quiet adults-only pools provide peaceful retreats away from the splashing and excitement. The rooftop infinity pool offers perhaps the most spectacular views of the entire property, overlooking both the jungle canopy and the ocean beyond. 2 swim-up bars mean you can order drinks without leaving the water, while in-pool loungers, hydro-massage jets, and comfortable seating areas around the pool decks create multiple zones for relaxation. All pools operate from 7 in the morning until 11 at night year-round, with heating provided during the cooler winter months so the water temperature stays comfortable. Poolside service includes complimentary towels, waiter service so you can order food and drinks right to your lounger, and first-come first-served cabanas that provide shaded private spaces for families or groups. The beach is equally impressive with 500 meters of private white sand frontage along the calm turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea. The beach remains pristine thanks to daily maintenance and the resort's commitment to environmental protection, including coral reef conservation efforts. Complimentary activities include kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling with equipment provided free of charge. For those wanting something more adventurous, catamarans are available for an additional fee. Beach waiters circulate constantly taking drink and food orders, while loungers and umbrellas are available on a first-come basis. The towel service station ensures you always have fresh towels without having to trek back to your room. The combination of multiple pool options and extensive beach access means you'll never feel like you're fighting for space even during busy periods. Activities at Sandos Caracol extend far beyond just lounging by the pool or beach, though those are certainly valid ways to spend your vacation. The resort's signature feature is its eco-adventure park, which underwent a major expansion in 2024. Here you can zipline through the jungle canopy, getting a bird's-eye view of the natural landscape while your heart races from the adrenaline. The park includes access to natural cenotes, those mystical underground pools that are unique to this region of Mexico. Swimming in a cenote is an otherworldly experience with crystal clear water, dramatic rock formations, and shafts of sunlight penetrating the darkness. The park also provides access to small Mayan ruins on the property, offering cultural education alongside adventure. The fitness center operates from 6 in the morning until 10 at night, and it's not just a token gym with a couple of treadmills. Over 20 cardio machines, comprehensive free weights, a dedicated yoga and Pilates studio, and spin bikes provide everything serious fitness enthusiasts need to maintain their routines while traveling. Group classes run throughout the day, including aqua aerobics in the pool, high-energy Zumba sessions, and personal training for those willing to pay an additional fee. Daily activities organized by the entertainment team include beach volleyball, water polo, dance lessons, cooking classes where you learn to prepare regional Mexican dishes, and Spanish language lessons. Evening entertainment features nightly shows with production values that rival what you'd see in proper theaters. Cirque-style acrobatic performances, live music covering everything from traditional Mexican folklore to contemporary pop, fire shows on the beach, and tribute bands performing hits from famous artists keep guests entertained until late. The disco stays open until 2 in the morning for night owls who want to dance. Seasonal events include elaborate New Year's galas and Halloween eco-parties that incorporate the resort's environmental themes into the celebrations. The Xcaret Spa represents a significant investment in guest wellness with facilities that would impress even the most experienced spa-goers. 20 treatment rooms provide the space for an extensive menu of massages, including hot stone therapy that melts away tension, Mayan chocolate treatments that use traditional ingredients from the region, Swedish massage for classic relaxation, and deep tissue work for those with serious muscle knots. Facial treatments range from basic cleansing to advanced anti-aging protocols using premium product lines. Body wraps utilize local ingredients like aloe and sea minerals. The couple's rituals are particularly popular for honeymooners and those celebrating anniversaries, providing synchronized treatments in a private suite. The signature experience is the cenote-inspired hydrotherapy circuit, a journey through various water-based therapies including warm pools, cold plunges, jets targeting specific muscle groups, and relaxation areas. The spa also houses a traditional sauna, steam room, ice cave for contrast therapy, and a tranquil relaxation lounge where you can extend your blissful state after treatments. The beauty salon offers hairstyling, manicures, pedicures, and makeup application for those special dinners or events. Operating hours run from 8 in the morning until 8 in the evening, with appointments bookable through the mobile app or the official website. A 50% deposit is required when booking with a 24-hour cancellation policy, so plan accordingly. Prices for treatments are not included in the all-inclusive package, but are competitive with standalone spas in the region. The spa environment itself deserves mention with design elements that incorporate natural materials, soothing water features, and aromatherapy that begins the moment you enter the space. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.